Welcome to Letter Combinations. In this lesson, we will learn about three special letter pairs, CH, SH, and TH. These are called digraphs, which means two letters working together to make a single sound. Each pair has its own unique pronunciation that you need to learn and practice. Let's start with the CH sound. When you see the letters C and H together, they make the sound /th/ like in the word chair. Listen carefully, chair. Another example is chop. And here's another one, cheese. The CH sound is made by pressing your tongue against the roof of your mouth and releasing air quickly. Now let's learn the SH sound. When you see the letters S and H together, they make the sound /sh/ like in the word ship. Listen, ship. Another example is shirt. And here's one more, shell. The SH sound is made by pushing air through your mouth with your teeth almost closed, creating a soft hissing sound. Finally, let's learn the TH sound. When you see the letters T and H together, they make the sound /theta/, like in the word think. Listen, think. Another example is thumb. And here's one more, thread. The TH sound is made by placing your tongue between your upper and lower teeth and pushing air through gently. Now let's compare all three sounds together. The CH sound /th/ is found in words like chair and chop. The SH sound /sh/ is found in words like ship and shell. The TH sound /theta/ is found in words like think and thumb. These three sounds are all different, so listen carefully to hear the differences between them. Let's practice some CH words. First word, chase. Second word, child. Third word, choose. And fourth word, change. Repeat each word after me and pay attention to how your tongue and mouth move when you make the CH sound. Try saying all four words again. Now let's practice SH and TH words. For the SH sound we have shine, shoe, and shower. For the TH sound we have three, throat, and thunder. Say each word carefully and notice how the SH words sound different from the TH words. Practice both groups several times. Here are 4 important points to remember. First, CH, SH, and TH are digraphs, meaning two letters create one sound. Second, each combination has its own unique pronunciation that is different from the others. Third, you should practice listening and speaking these sounds regularly to improve your pronunciation. And fourth, these patterns appear in many common English words that you will use every day.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.